In this video, let's understand the difference between gas and liquid. Gas has no definite shape and takes the shape of the container. Liquid has a definite volume but no definite shape. The molecular arrangement in gas is random but more sparsely arranged, whereas the molecular arrangement in liquid is random but little sparsely arranged. The motion of molecules are free, random and constant in gas, whereas the motion of molecule is Brownian in liquid. The molecular attraction is minimum in gas state, whereas the molecular attraction is medium in the liquid state. Both gas and liquid needs a container to store it. Gas has no fixed shape or volume, whereas liquid has a volume but no fixed shape. Gas are easily compressible. It is nearly difficult to compress the liquid. Gases flows in all direction. Liquid always flows from higher to lower level. The speed of sound in gas is lowest among solids and liquids. The speed of sound in liquid is slower than solid but faster than gas.